Welcome to my channel. I am going to show you how to mine Veruscoin in Termux. Download Termux from F-Droid or Google Play Store. Both links are given in the description. I recommend downloading from F-Droid instead of Google Play Store. We also need a wallet to store the Veruscoin we mine. I am going to use Verus Mobile here, but there are many other wallets, but make sure that you select a wallet that has Veruscoin in it. We also need a mining pool, so we get Veruscoin according to the shares we complete. Here we are using pool.verus.io. There are other mining pool out there which has a low payout fee, but make sure you are in suitable region for mining. Copy the IP address and port number, we need it later after that. Open Verus Mobile and set up the wallet. Be careful about the words showing for verification. Save it or remember it. For recovering your wallet, set a password which you remember easily. We need that password to access the wallet every time. I'm going to skip this part for maintaining video length. After you created your Verus Mobile wallet, open the app and copy wallet receiving address, we need it later. After that, open the Termux and type every command without any mistakes. All commands are showing in the left side of the screen. pkg install proot. pkg install proot-distro. Proot-distro install ubuntu. Proot-distro login ubuntu. apt-get update and an apt-get upgrade. Why? apt-get install. libcurl for OpenSL-dev, libssl-dev, libjansson-dev, automake, autotools-dev, build.sh, git nano. Git clone, single branch, b, arm, https:/github.com/munkins1010, ccminer, git. cd ccminer, th.mod plus x build.sh and in chmod plus x configure.sh and in chmod plus x autogen.sh. /build.sh. Edit the command by following format /ccminer of verus, ostratum TCP, pool URL port, umining wallet address, worker name, pxt threads numbers. You should give your wallet address and pool URL. You can choose any name for your worker name, and number of threads is according to your device after the editing. Click Ctrl+X then Y to save and enter to exit. Then type /run. Your miner will start after some seconds. If you see upsetted in command window, your miner is working properly. If you want to stop the mining, long press on the screen and select More and Kill Process, or click Exit in the notification bar. For mining again, open Termux, type proot-distro, login ubuntu cd ccminer./run. If you need to check your mining status, go to pool.verus.io. Then go to Worker Stats and paste your wallet address. Thanks for watching this video. Consider subscribing my channel for more software-based contents. Comment the type of video which you needed the most. Every command we used are also in the description.